Hey guys, Rodney at Suspension Geek, and I have another little tech tip, tool tip, I guess. So it occurred to me when I was working with my gear wrenches, and I went and double checked it. It's something I've always known this, but I haven't always known this. Somebody else told me this years ago when these wrenches became popular, and I've just understood it. And I realized it yesterday when I was watching one of the guys that works here at the shop, and he put the wrench on and he's like, oh, wrong way, and he flipped it around and oh, it's still the wrong way. And it's like, wait, you don't understand how these wrenches work? So the direction that the tines angle is the direction it tightens. So if they're angled down, it's going to tighten down. That locks and will go down. And well, let's see if I can say, and then if you push it up, it goes up. If you turn it over, of course, naturally, it goes up and then swings down. So the tines actually dictate the direction that it's going to tighten. Whether it's righty-tighty or lefty-loosey, your wrenches tell you what they want to do.